What's holding your industry back from true innovation? In today's fast-paced world, businesses face a unique set of challenges. Industries are evolving rapidly, and companies are struggling to keep up with increased demands, supply chain complexities, and the need for digital transformation. At Madasky Consulting, we understand these hurdles. Every industry comes with its own unique requirements, and a one-size-fits-all solution simply doesn't cut it. That's why we've partnered with leading IT companies to provide digital solutions tailored to the specific needs of our clients across multiple sectors. For the manufacturing sector, our solutions focus on streamlining production processes, enhancing quality control, and optimizing supply chains. With our digitalization solutions, we empower manufacturers to embrace Industry 4.0, ensuring they remain competitive in a dynamic market. In retail, we help businesses personalize their offerings, optimize inventory management, and drive e-commerce success. Our digital tools make logistics seamless and enhance customer engagement, giving retailers the competitive edge they need. But it's more than just technology, it's about understanding each industry's nuances. Our team at Madasky Consulting combines deep industry knowledge with the tech expertise of our partners, creating solutions that make a real impact. And our partnerships are grounded in a shared commitment to innovation. Together with our IT partners, we could develop solutions that not only meet today's needs but are built to support tomorrow's growth. At Madasky Consulting, we are not just solving today's problems, we are empowering businesses for a brighter, sustainable future. Ready to take the next step? Contact us today and let's build your path to success.